I'm going to go over the steps to install and remove a command hook, and this is one of the large designer hooks. The hook comes with two adhesive strips. There's a red side and a black side. You're going to remove the backing from the red side, and you're going to push this with the tab down on the back of your hook and press it on firmly. Now you're going to remove the black liner, and you're going to push this against the wall, or in this case we're putting it on a door, and you want to hold it firmly for 10 to 15 seconds. Now you're going to push your hook straight up and pull it off and remove it from this plastic backing. And now you want to apply firm pressure for 30 seconds or longer so that it sticks well. After you've pushed this firmly in place, you want to wait about an hour before you put any weight on this. You can replace your hook. To remove the hook in the future, you want to push the hook straight up and pull it off. Hold the base gently on the top, and you're going to pull this tab straight down. You don't want to pull it out. Pull it straight down slowly, and this will extend 15 inches or longer. And just keep slowly pulling it till it releases, and it will not damage the surface.